Alright, welcome. Today we're going to do a demo of the Wordsta iPhone app, and we're going to show off how you can use Wordsta at a university. The university we're demoing as a proof of concept today is Wake Forest University. So I'm going to open the app. I'm going to go into the Maps tab, which is already up, and select Wake Forest University. Alright, in this demo I'm standing in the quad, right in the middle of the map, and campus is moderate size, but it's big enough to where a map could really be useful. I'm going to zoom in, and we see we have good fidelity even at strong zoom levels. Scroll out. This represents us where we're standing on the campus. We have good signal strength, as you can see in the corner. Alright, so let's get into using this map. The first scenario that I'm going to walk through here, I'm playing the role of a first-year student who's going to their first semester classes and doesn't really know what buildings which classes are in and didn't do their homework ahead of time. So I'm going to tap here to search the map, and I know that I'm going to Math 101. So I do a search, and sure enough it finds the class Math 101. And I'm starting at Collins Residence Hall, so I type in call, and sure enough it's there. So we're going to hit show. And sure enough we get a route straight from where I'm at to Math 101, which is in Manchester Hall. You can zoom in here for greater fidelity. Looks like I just have to cross the street, and I'll be up on the right. Cool. So let's say my first class is done, and my next class is 15 minutes from now, and it's History 101. And I also don't know where that is, so I'm going to open up the search here. I'm going to switch math and put it as a start position, clear out Collins, and I know History 101. This is a limited data set at the moment because we're just showing this as a prototype. There would be many more history classes, obviously. So I'll hit show. And we get a path from Manchester Hall, across Manchester Plaza, to Tribble Hall. So you can see how first year students or transferring students can find a way from classroom to classroom based on the class number and even the class name. In this next scenario, I want to take advantage of the GPS capabilities. So let's say we're hanging out on the quad, it's a sunny afternoon, springtime, and my friend invites me to go work out in the Miller Center. But I've never been to the Miller Center and don't actually know where it is. So what we're going to do is open up Wordsta. We're going to tap on our location arrow. If the location arrow isn't on the center of the screen, we can just tap in the lower left-hand corner and automatically zoom to our arrow. If we tap here, we can start here. That puts start here at its current location. And where are we going? We're going to the Miller, there we go, Miller Center. And I need to know where that is. Alright, so we have a footpath to Miller Center. Let's zoom in a little bit so we get a better idea. It's all the way down here. There it is. So we can zoom in for any degree of fidelity that we want. Looks like we cut through Kitchen, through the tunnel, down the street, across the road at the crosswalk, and go up into the Miller Center. Now let's say another example would be graduation day. And in this role, I'm a proud parent coming to see my child graduate and step into the real world. So in this scenario, let's say beforehand when we parked, we put a parking marker in the parking lot. So we'll tap in the parking lot. Let's say we parked around here, set marker, parking spot. So we know we have a parking spot marker. We've already said we want to start at our current location. So we're going to tap on the parking spot and we're going to say we want directions ending here. So it's after graduation. We want to head back to the car. Now we have a footpath starting from where we are back to our car. We can zoom in here again for greater fidelity. Looks like we take a trip around the quad, past Wake Chapel, across the street, and into the Polo parking area. Alright, that's everything. Thanks for watching this short demo illustrating some of the ways that Worcester can be used in the context of a university. Thanks for your time. Please email hello@worcester.com if you have any questions or for further information.